Hi everyone. My name is Pollyanna. I serve my mission in Madro and Ebi. Um, the food on these islands are amazing, not compared to the American food or the food I grew up in Hawaii with. The food was take a lot of time to learn, but I love seafood, and when I was over there, they had a lot of seafood, and so I just fit right in eating their food and learning about their culture, and the people there are amazing. I love eating their pop, eating octopus, which is quid, breadfruits, mei, everything in the island to eat. I loved it. I I know like there was one time we needed to make rice, and I did not know how to make rice because we always in Hawaii we eat rice every time we go buy anything food-wise, but never actually cook them at home. And I had to learn how to cook rice because the Marshall Island people, they eat a lot of rice. And so I love it there, and I learned how to cook the rice and eat it with everything else. And eating it with my fingers was something really amazing that we do. I mean, I grew up eating food with my finger too, so I fit right in. I just love it there. It was easy and the food was amazing. Yeah, thank you.